come to Gaborone because there is need for clarity to come from SADC concerning the situation in Zimbabwe. We are coming from Zimbabwe. I am Tinoti Namungu, national spokesperson for YAD and former SRC president of the University of Zimbabwe. There is a feeling, a wrong narrative which is being spread that there is a crisis in Zimbabwe. SADC and the media have been presenting the situation in Zimbabwe as a serious crisis. There is no crisis for Zimbabweans, there is no crisis in Zimbabwe. Maybe there is a crisis for a faction or a crisis for the criminals that were referred to by the National Defense Forces. In Zimbabwe, what I see in Zimbabwe, the society in Zimbabwe has not been feeling such levels of hope. There's never been such levels of happiness within the people of Zimbabwe as they are feeling now. The hope that they are feeling that there is change which is about to be ushered in. The coup had been initiated since 2014 by none other than Grace Mugabe, the First Lady of Zimbabwe. The former First Lady of Zimbabwe. She had initiated a coup, but then the military had to come and protect the integrity, national interests and national security of Zimbabwe. The people are appreciating what the military has done. The military went into the streets only to ensure that order is there to protect the people of Zimbabwe. Robert Mugabe has been saying he's under house arrest, but the man, he was moving today from his Blue Roof residence in Boroto. He went to State House for a meeting because State House is official residence when it comes to government matters. You cannot be moving when you're under house arrest. You cannot be under house arrest and be allowed to move. The reason why there is heavy military presence at his place of residence is because the man had become very unpopular through allowing